Speed test.
Speed test.
Speed test.
Hey guys! Welcome to Audio Review Speed Test to help you answer the questions fast.
Here are 50 questions under plumbing code. Are you ready? Let us start.
Aside from the number of fixture units connected to it, the size of the vent piping is determined by its what? A. Slope. B. Rise. C. Use. D. Length. The answer is length.
ECC means what? A. Environmental Compliance Certificate. B. Effective cross connection. C. Effective circuit connection. D. Environmental Compliance Code. The answer? Environmental Compliance Certificate.
Which fixture does not require a cleanout on its horizontal drain having a length of less than 1.5 m? A. Bathtub. B. Water closet. C. Lavatory. D. Urinal. The answer? Urinal.
The administrative authority requires that every request for inspection shall be filed how many days before such inspection is intended? 3 calendar days. 3 working days. 6 calendar days. 6 working days. The answer, 3 working days.
Void between pipes and sleeves through concrete floor in the ground shall be appropriately sealed with what? Bitumen. Epoxy. Concrete. Sealant. The answer? Bitumen.
Plumbing Law of the Philippines. RA 1364. RA 1096. RA 1378. RA 504. The answer. RA 1378.
Maximum horizontal distance of cleanouts. 10 feet. 50 feet. 20 feet. 30 feet. The answer? 50 feet.
The bottom of all pipe trenches deeper than the footing of any adjacent building or structure parallel to it must be at least how many degrees? 45 degrees. 10 degrees. 20 degrees. 30 degrees. The answer? 45 degrees.
The extended portion of a pipe that is closed at one end to which no connections are made on the extended portion, thus permitting the stagnation of liquid or air intake. Dead end. Clean out. Air chamber. Plug. The answer? Dead end.
Portion of vent pipe through which wastewater also flows through. Vent stack. Wet vent. Stack vent. Dry vent. The answer? Wet vent.
A pressure relief valve is required if water pressure in the system exceeds what? 150 psi. 180 psi. 80 psi. 50 psi. The answer? 80 psi.
In hospital wards, 1 bathtub or shower shall be provided per what? 5. 10. 15. 20. The answer? 20.
What is the minimum distance of baffles or partitions between compartments of a septic tank above the liquid level? 10.16 millimeters. 101.16 millimeters. 101.60 millimeters. 1060 millimeters. The answer? 101.6 millimeters.
A relief valve drain pipe shall extend from the valve to the outside of the building with the end of the pipe pointing downward and mounted above the ground at what? The answer? 0.15 meter to 0.60 meter.
Cesspool may be permitted for use when first approved by the administrative authority and where it is established that a public sewer system will be available in less than how many years? 1 year. 2 years. 5 years. 10 years. The answer? 2 years.
No excavation for a seepage pit shall extend within how many meters of the water table? 1 meters. 2 meters. 3 meters. 5 meters. The answer? 3 meters.
It is a small amount of pipe exists between threads of a pipe, it is called a short nipple. Pipette. Shoulder. Coupling. Nipple. The answer? It's shoulder.
Cleanouts shall be designed to be gas and watertight without the use of any what? Gasket. Packing. Washer. All of the above. The answer? All of the above.
Maximum number of fixtures allowed to be connected into any grease trap. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer? 4 fixtures.
Venting system installed for island fixtures directly connected to the drainage system. Loop vent. Looped vent. Circuit vent. Yoke vent. The answer? Looped vent.
Septic tank should be at least how many meters away from any source of water supply wells? 10 meters. 15 meters. 20 meters. 30 meters. The answer? 15 meters.
Each vent opening shall terminate not less than how many meters from any air intake or vent shaft? The answer? 3 meters.
What is the recommended hot water supply to a hotel lavatory private? 1 gallon per hour. 2 gallons per hour. 3 gallons per hour. 5 gallons per hour. The answer? It's 2 gallons per hour.
PRC resolution number issued by the Board of Master Plumbing for the adoption and promulgation of the revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines. 357. 1358. 1096. 962. The answer? 962.
Fitting may only be used for vertical to horizontal change of direction of drainage pipe when installed in true vertical position. Combination Y. Combination vent. T. Elbow. The answer? Combination Y.
Fixture that do not require cleanout on its horizontal drain having a length of less than 1.5 meters. Urinal. Water closet. Bathtub. Slop sink. The answer? Bathtub.
Drain fixture unit of grease interceptor. 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer? 3 drain fixture unit.
The lead pipe shall be supported at intervals not exceeding how many meters it centers with rigid vertical backup? 1 meter. 1.2 meters. 2 meters. 3.5 meters. The answer? 1.2 meters.
The effective thread length of a 3/4 inch diameter screwed steel pipe. 3/4 inch. Half an inch. 1 inch. 1.5 inches. The answer? 3/4 inch.
Asbestos cement sewer pipe shall be joined by means of what? Threading sealed with Teflon tape. Sleeve coupling sealed with neoprene rubber rings. Welding. Or fusion weld. The answer? Sleeve coupling sealed with neoprene rubber rings.
Wipe lead joints shall have an exposed surface on each side of a joint not less than what? 6 millimeters. 13 millimeters. 19 millimeters. 25 millimeters. The answer? 19 millimeters.
If a male comfort room has 6 water closets and 2 urinals, female comfort room should have at least how many water closet? 2, 4, 6, 8. The answer? 8 water closets.
Where disposal facilities are abandoned consequent to connecting any premises with the public sewer, the permittee making the connection shall befill all abandoned facilities within how many days from the time of connection? 15 days. 30 days. 60 days. 90 days. The answer? 30 days.
In hospital wards, 1 bathtub or shower shall be provided per what? 20. 25. 30. 35. The answer? 20.
Whenever screwed joints were used for drainage piping, its fitting shall be of what? Recessed drainage type. Exposed drainage type. Sealed. Waterproofed. The answer? Recessed drainage type.
Minimum distance of baffles or partitions between compartments of a septic tank above the liquid level. 101.6 millimeters. 202.6 millimeters. 300.1 millimeters. 150.1 millimeters. The answer? 101.6 millimeters.
Devices which discharge clear wastewater into the building drainage system shall discharge through what? The answer? An indirect waste by means of an air gap.
Siamese connection with 125 millimeters diameter. One-way. Two-way. Three-way. Double gang. The answer? Three-way.
Restaurant and other special use sinks may be made of approved type bonderized and galvanized steel sheet of not less than what? Gauge number 30. Gauge number 16. Gauge number 22. Gauge number 24. The answer? Gauge number 16.
No excavation for a seepage pit shall extend within how many meters of the water table? 1 meter. 2 meters. 2.5 meters. 3 meters. The answer? 3 meters.
In lieu of upper terminal cleanout for building drain/sewer, what can be substituted? One-way cleanout. Two-way cleanout. Plug. Adapter. The answer? Two-way cleanout.
All drainage piping shall be clear domestic water supply wells by at least 15.2 meters, but the distance may be reduced to not less than how many meters when the drainage piping is constructed of materials approved for use within the building? 7.6 meters. 9 meters. 10.5 meters. 15 meters. The answer? 7.6 meters.
The developed length between the trap of a water closet or similar fixture measured from the top of closet ring to inner edge of vent shall not exceed how many meters? 1.8 meters. 2.8 meters. 3.8 meters. 4.8 meters. The answer? 1.8 meters.
When floor drain or similar traps are subject to infrequent use, what device should be provided or installed? Trap primer. Trap cleaner. Trap drainer. None of the above. The answer? Trap primer.
FS in plumbing installation stands for what? Federal science. Federal specification. Feral size. Feral science. The answer? Federal specification. It can be drained through an air brake. Lavatory. Evaporative cooler. Both A and B. None of the above. The answer? Evaporative cooler.
Maximum length permitted for a fixture tailpiece. 600 millimeters. 400 millimeters. 500 millimeters. 900 millimeters. The answer? 600 millimeters.
Hydropneumatic pressure tank or an elevated tank and booster pump shall be provided, whenever the water pressure will not provide at least how much kPa? 103 kilopascals. 203 kilopascals. 503 kilopascals. 80 kilopascals. The answer? 103 kilopascals.
Excreta drainage pipe that is only allowed above ground. Galvanized steel pipe. Terracotta pipe. PVC pipe. Asbestos pipe. The answer? Galvanized steel pipe.
Venting system installed for island fixtures directly connected to the drainage system. The answer? Looped vent.
That's it. Part 1 of the speed test is up. You may continue to the next video for another 50. Link is in the description box. We still have a lot of study videos for you, so don't forget to hit like, click subscribe and ring that notification bell to be updated.